Have you ever watched those incredibly satisfying miniature vehicle assembly videos and wondered how they were made? What if I told you that you can create them without a camera, without building a real model, and without any expensive equipment? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT, Gemini AI, and Flow AI to create stunning miniature vehicle assembly videos that look realistic enough to fool almost anyone. By the end of this video, you'll know how to generate unique vehicle ideas, create realistic AI prompts, produce detailed images, and turn them into satisfying ASMR videos ready for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate vehicle ideas with ChatGPT. The first step is generating a great concept. Instead of spending hours thinking about ideas, we'll use ChatGPT together with the Miniature Vehicle Assembly Architect Master Prompt. Paste the master prompt into ChatGPT. The AI will first ask you to choose a vehicle category, such as sports cars, motorcycles, helicopters, airplanes, SUVs, or even construction vehicles. After choosing a category, ChatGPT generates 10 original vehicle ideas. Take a moment to review the list and select the one you want to build. This workflow keeps every project organized and helps you create fresh content every time. Step 2. Generate the image prompt. Once you've selected your vehicle, ChatGPT automatically creates an incredibly detailed image prompt. The prompt describes every individual component of the miniature model before assembly. You'll see separate wheels, engine, suspension, steering components, body panels, screws, tools, and every other part carefully arranged on a realistic workshop table. This organized layout becomes the foundation for the entire animation. Step 3. Create the image with Gemini AI. Next, open Gemini AI. Copy the image prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into Gemini. Gemini produces a highly detailed macro image showing all the miniature vehicle parts. Check that every component is visible, nothing is already assembled, and the lighting looks clean and consistent. If necessary, regenerate the image until you're satisfied with the quality. A strong starting image will make the final animation look much more believable. Step 4. Generate the assembly video with Flow AI. Now, it's time to bring everything to life. Open Flow AI. Copy the video prompt generated by ChatGPT. Upload the image from Gemini if required, then paste the video prompt into Flow AI. Flow AI animates the miniature model as each component is assembled in a realistic sequence. Watch as the chassis comes together, the engine is installed, the suspension locks into place, the wheels are attached, and the body panels fit perfectly onto the frame. The fixed camera angle and realistic assembly order create a smooth, satisfying viewing experience. Step 5. Make the video feel real. Small details make a huge difference. Instead of adding background music, use subtle ASMR sounds such as tiny screw turns, metal clicks, gentle tool taps, light brushing, and quiet workshop ambience. These sounds make the viewer feel like they're sitting at the workbench watching the model being assembled. The more realistic the experience feels, the longer people tend to watch. Step 6. Export and upload. After your video is complete, export it in a vertical 9:16 format. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI content creation tutorials and master prompts. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.